Hi friends, how's it going? How's your 2021 coming through so far? Anyways, I wanted to quickly stop by and share with you guys some pieces that I have ended up, buying from Mango. And guys, this is going to be my first Mango haul. I mean, first ever Mango haul, and I'm quite excited to share the pieces with you guys. So, if you're interested, please keep on watching. And let me tell you that, I have ended up buying few minimal pieces that I wanted to wear on my birthday. In particular, not something crazy. Most of the pieces are dresses and bags. So, if you guys are interested and are looking for something, so keep on watching. And with that being said, please be sure like, subscribe. And alright, so let's see what we have got first. I have got this bag first to show you guys, and oh my gosh, I seem to love it. Like, look at the bag. Oh my god, it looks so pretty, and the leather feels, I'm not sure if it is original leather or foul leather, but it feels so soft, and I'm so happy that I grabbed it, made my mind, because it wasn't looking good at their website, but in person it looks so pretty. I mean, look at the golden chain. See, I'm not sure if you can see the golden chain nicely on camera, but trust me guys, in person it looks really good. I so love it, and I'm happy that I made my mind for this bag and grabbed it. And the chain seems to be same length as the leather handle, what you call it, and yeah, it feels soft and seems good. I mean, the length is good too. Like, if I put it on my shoulder, this is how it looks, see, and I'm sure it will, lots of product will fit inside this bag. This is how it looks, and I'm happy that I grabbed it. Oh my god, this zip is so soft. Unbelievably soft, and I didn't expect that. And this is how it looks inside. It's quite spacious and big. I'm sure I can put a lot of my stuffs, makeup and all that thing, my phone, my charger, power bank, everything. Quite spacious, and it has got one pocket inside. Not sure if you can see, but it has got, and like I said, the zip is super soft. Unexpectedly, like, I was not expecting, no, I had no expectation, but anyways, this is how it looks. If you put quite few pieces, it seems to hold its structure, and which is cool. And like I said, I'm so happy that I made my mind for this bag, because wow, heck yeah, it looks super nice in person. It was not looking good on their website, but it's really nice. Alright, so next up, we have got this white dress. Ow, my nail. Alright, so next up, as I said, we have got this white dress. Wow, it looks good so far. Has got a round neckline and kind of turn up sleeves. Not sure if you can see on camera, because what I can see that it shows you all white. So I rather put it on and try this on and show you how it looks. But just let me quickly tell you that it has got a couple of buttons. Button detailing around chest. It's covered up with one layer above that. Not sure if you can understand or see. And has got pleats at the bottom, ruffles or frills, so what you call it, ruffles or frills kind of thing at the bottom, which is great. And this is how it looks at the back. And yeah, I'm quite excited. So let me try this on and speak to you so you can see the piece, because this way I'm sure you cannot see, as it shows you all white. I can see on my display. And yeah, I have got this in this size small. So let me try this on and I catch you there. I love it. It's kind of bit loose on me, but loving it. The frills are great, and this is how it looks at the back side. It has got pleats all over the dress, like at the hemline, at the back side, and the fitting is bit kind of loose overall. But anyways, the dress is really nice and feels quality. Yellow, yeah, light yellow or baby yellow dress, and it has got the same round neckline, turn up sleeves, and the frills or pleats, or what you call like ruffles around waistline, which is pretty cool, and fabric seems really soft. Could be because of it's 100% cotton, and I have got this in the size small as usual. Alright guys, so this is how the baby yellow dress looks, kind of boxy fitting, and it has got the pleats, like as you can see, or frills, what you call it, and the fitting is boxy fitting like I just said. This is how it looks at the back side, and overall it's nice and kind of a summer dress to throw on for hot summer days. Alright guys, so next up we have got this white puffy sleeves dress. I'm not sure if you can see it properly, but this is how the dress overall looks. I love these big puffy sleeves. If you know your girl, you might know that I'm just crazy about puffy sleeves, and yeah, hence why I thought this would be best idea for my birthday dress. But boy, it's quite expensive, 3590, and I have got this in the size small. And yeah, otherwise it's just simple, straightforward, easy peasy dress. Would be, perfect for, could be perfect for upcoming season, upcoming summer, spring, summer, especially for summer. Yeah, this is how it looks. It has got like big puffy sleeves, and I'm sure it will fit me nicely, and the length seems to be good as of now. So let me try this on and I'll show you there. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. These big gigantic puffy sleeves. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I loved it. I loved these puffy sleeves, and the length. Look at the length. It's so perfect. Just around my knees or above my knees. Just perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this dress. I absolutely loved it.